I'm done with breast augmentation. Actually, this is revision breast augmentation because she has silicone injection just like our case yesterday, no? So, ito po, tinanggal po natin yung ating silicone oil, no? Silicone injection. But, syempre, hindi po natin pwedeng tanggalin lahat. Because yung mga silicone oil na nasa skin na, malapit na sa balat, hindi po natin pwedeng kayurin yan, no? Kasi baka mabutas ang skin, baka mag-necrose. So, we remove yung mga silicone oil na kaya lang tanggalin, no? So, I placed 375cc high-profile implant na Mentor. So, ito na po yan, ang ating end result. So, I will see her after a week. No, papakita po namin yung video of the silicone oil. So, that's it. Another day, another surgery.